In this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly what to do so you can pack your orders and get paid quicker. If you want extra seller resources to help you through this process, be sure to take a look at the description box below. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so you finally got all your boxes together. The very last step is making sure your boxes get to the post office. There's a couple different ways you can do this. Either you can stand in line and hand off the packages physically to the postmaster and they will give you a receipt. A lot of post office will have like a convenience area where instead of you having to stand in a long line, you could just drop your boxes off to the side. Me personally, I don't like doing that because there is no proof that I actually took those boxes to the post office. Some post office have self kiosks where you can scan your own packages and it will give you a receipt there. You can also use one of the blue mailboxes, the blue drop boxes. Again, personally, this is not one of my favorite ways to drop off packages because again, you don't have proof. My favorite way is to schedule pickup through the post office. This is a free service, guys. It costs $0. All you have to do is go to USPS.com. The only rule for this is you need to have at least one of your packages has to have the P on the label in order for them to do this. I absolutely love this. You don't even have to leave your house. The mailman will just knock on your door, or you can set those packages outside of your door and they'll pick them up there. Mixing labels can lead to delays and extra fees, so you have to make sure you get this part right. So I break that down step by step in this video right here on which label goes on which box so you can ship with confidence.